Hi there and welcome to a new video. In this one I wanted to discuss the following. If basically Redot was going to keep parity with Godot. Because right now every single tutorial that you may find on Godot would work if you are doing the exact same thing but in Redot. Because at least right now Redot is quite similar to Godot. The main difference is just the colors and pretty tiny differences, but well, for let's say generally speaking, they are the exact same things. However, will this always be like this? That is what I want to answer in this video because it is a question that I've been receiving a lot. And to answer it, I'm going to be just following the official sources. For example, if you go to the Redot community Discord server and in the server guide, you have here the frequently asked questions section. And well, here, besides more information, over here, this is the key answer that we are looking for. We intend to keep the engine stable and usable for the long term while maintaining compatibility with current Godot project. So until for now the idea is to keep parity. This is something that we have known since the very beginning of the fork if you have been following this topic. Now the interesting part comes a couple of days ago when they released the stable version of Redot 4.3, and here they were announcing and talking about the future of the engine. For example, here they introduced this horizon color that doesn't exist currently in Godot, and well, this does break compatibility between Redot and Godot because factually this feature doesn't exist natively in Godot. Now, of course, this is a feature that is not going to revolutionize the engine or anything like that. It's just a tiny, super tiny, I would even call it a new feature. So it's not a big deal. Now, of course, there have been more stuff that has been fixed and added. But well, once again, for the general developer, these aren't like game-changing new things. And well, one of the things that was the most criticized about Redot is the fact that, well, they weren't releasing anything new from the original Godot engine, so they didn't see many advantages of switching to this engine. But well, just for those people, I wanted to clarify that of course Redot doesn't have even half of the money that Godot has in donations. If we go to the donate page over here, as you can see, they only have something like $500 or something like that. So indeed, Godot has much more money behind developers, etc. So that's the reason why they are not able to advance as quick as maybe we would like. But well, here about the future, they are planning, and it seems that they already have some work done in, for example, creating a launcher, for Redot. So you would be able to quickly switch versions of the engine. You would have different projects categorized in recent projects, even start projects, as you can see. So it's just like a pretty stylish user interface that well looks quite good, but well, this would break, let's say, the parity with Godot, or would at least be something that can differentiate Redot from Godot, and that would encourage more people to actually start using Redot. And they also talk here about the Redot Academy, that basically they would like to create some kind of platform in which they teach Redot for free. And of course, right now it is not maybe super worth it because every single Godot tutorial can be used inside of Redot. But well, maybe when they start adding different stuff, they want to create specific tutorials for the specific Redot new features. But well, of course, we have to take into account the fact that even if the tutorials are similar to what you may find on Godot, they would be like Redot branded or something like that in their website. So well, that would be also another difference. So well, I think that I have addressed all the points that I have been being commented in different videos. So well, if you have any other doubt that you would like me to answer in a video, please let me know in the comments down below. See you in the next one, and bye bye.